Good morning, this is Stephen with the National Weather Service office in San Angelo, Texas, with your special updated severe weather briefing, 10 a.m., May 22nd, 2024. This important update is being issued for the potential for severe weather this afternoon and evening across the San Angelo County warning area. Today we are looking at an increased potential for severe weather this afternoon and evening, especially as storms develop along cold front there along the I-20 corridor and push southward there throughout the afternoon and evening. The expected hazards for today: very large hail, potentially larger than tennis ball size, damaging winds of 60 to 70 miles per hour, also tornadoes possible, and a little bit less of a concern, some of these storms could produce locally heavy rainfall, which could lead to some flooding concerns. Strong to severe storms will be possible again on Thursday, and this will be followed up this weekend by very hot temperatures, which, while thunderstorms are not expected there over the weekend, could still cause some unpleasant conditions to occur. So for today's severe weather outlook, scattered thunderstorms are expected to develop by early afternoon along cold front, more or less along the Interstate 20 corridor, and continue southeastward through the evening hours. A few of these storms are expected to become severe, and large hail greater than 2 inches in diameter is possible, along with damaging winds, frequent lightning, and a few tornadoes. As far as overall hazards, wind and hail are the biggest concern, although a few tornadoes, of course, will be possible. The worst of the hazards do look like they may occur basically from about east of a line from about San Angelo up towards Abilene and eastward, as mentioned before, with the biggest threat for large hail, of course, being over towards Abilene, Brownwood, and the Brady area, as well as eastward. Overall timing of severe weather: we do expect thunderstorms to develop here by about 2 p.m. this afternoon along the Interstate 20 corridor, although we could start seeing storms developing as early as 1 p.m. As they push southeastward here along the cold front, they should be pushing down into the Concho Valley over towards Brownwood, Coleman, and Ballinger in the 4 to 7 p.m. time frame, and continue southeastward here into the Northwest Hill Country, so places like Menard, Brady, and San Saba all being affected here by about 6 to 9 p.m. Could see some additional thunderstorms developing along a dry line here in Crockett County and affecting Ozona also by about 4 p.m. And as mentioned before, a little bit less of a concern, but still something to be aware of. Some storms may have high rainfall rates in a short amount of time, especially as they get more organized and move further south. The highest chances for heavy rainfall will exist east of Brown County, but any storms, of course, could in a short amount of time produce heavy rainfall, which may be enough to cause flash flooding of streets, creeks, streams, and other low-lying areas. And just a heads up as well, we do expect another round of severe weather here, mainly for our northeastern parts of the area here, so generally east of Abilene to Brady and northeastward line for tomorrow afternoon. Not going to touch too much on this, but that's just for your awareness only, and we'll get to that more tomorrow. This concludes today's severe weather briefing. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit our webpage as well as our Facebook and Twitter accounts. Also email us if you have any questions, or give us a call at this number. We're here 24/7. Stay safe.